Hail just hit your roof. Now what? How to avoid costly mistakes. If you've just experienced a hailstorm, your roof could have thousands of dollars in hidden damage that most homeowners completely miss. And making the wrong moves in the next 24 to 48 hours could cost you dearly. Let me explain. After helping thousands of New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania homeowners recover from major storms since Hurricane Sandy in 2012, I've seen the same costly mistakes happen over and over. And with hail damage claims reaching $1.7 billion annually, you can't afford to get this wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do and what not to do if your roof was just hit by hail. I'll reveal the 3 biggest mistakes that could void your insurance claim, and most importantly, I'll walk you through the exact process we use to help homeowners get their damage fully covered. Think of your roof like the shield protecting your castle. When hail strikes, it can create vulnerabilities that aren't visible to the untrained eye. Just last month, we had to help a homeowner fix $12,000 worth of damage after they waited too long to get their roof inspected following a hailstorm. The initial damage was minor, but because they delayed taking action, water infiltration turned a simple roof replacement into a major restoration project. Let me walk you through the 3 critical things you need to know if hail just hit your roof. Number 1, hidden damage assessment. What most homeowners miss. Here's something most people don't realize about hail damage. It's not just about visible dents and dings. The real threat lies in what you can't see from the ground. Let me explain what I mean. When hail impacts your roof, it can actually loosen or dislodge the protective granules on your shingles. These granules are your roof's first line of defense against UV rays and water penetration. Without them, your shingles will deteriorate much faster than normal. According to our research and experience with thousands of hail claims, this hidden damage is often missed by inexperienced inspectors and can lead to premature roof failure within 2 to 3 years. But that's not all. Hail can also damage vents and flashings, creating potential water entry points, gutters and downspouts, affecting your roof's drainage system, soffit and fascia, which protect your roof's underlying structure, the actual decking beneath your shingles. This is why it's so crucial to have an experienced professional inspect your roof after a storm. And I mean someone who specifically knows what to look for with hail damage, not just any general contractor. Number 2, the out-of-state contractor warning. Now, this next point is absolutely critical, and it's something I've seen cause massive headaches for homeowners, especially here in New Jersey, where hail damage is relatively rare. After a major storm, you'll notice something interesting happen in your neighborhood. Suddenly, there are trucks and contractors from out of state everywhere. They'll knock on your door, offering free inspections and promising quick repairs. Let me be very clear about something. This is one of the riskiest things you can do as a homeowner. Here's why. These storm chasers, as we call them in the industry, follow severe weather patterns across the country. They'll sweep into an area, perform quick repairs, and then disappear just as fast as they arrive. We've seen countless cases where homeowners need warranty work done months later, only to find that these contractors are nowhere to be found. They're 3 states away chasing the next storm. Just last year, we had to help a family in Central Jersey who hired an out-of-state contractor after a hailstorm. The work was rushed, improperly done, and when leaks started appearing 6 months later, the contractor was unreachable. The homeowner had to pay out of pocket for repairs that should have been covered under warranty. Number 3, navigating the insurance claim process. This is where things get really interesting, and it's where having a local, experienced contractor becomes invaluable. The insurance claim process for hail damage isn't as straightforward as many people think, and here's why. Most insurance companies use a step-by-step payment process that can be quite confusing if you're not familiar with it. First, they'll send out an adjuster to assess the damage. This is a crucial moment. You need someone on your side who knows exactly what the adjuster should be looking for. Remember those hidden damage points we talked about earlier? This is where they become really important. Let me share something that most people don't know. Insurance companies are increasingly scrutinizing hail damage claims. In fact, we're seeing more and more cases where initial claims are undervalued or denied altogether. This is why having an experienced contractor who can properly document the damage and communicate effectively with your insurance company is essential. Here's the process we recommend. 1. Document everything immediately after the storm. 2. Contact a local experienced roofing contractor for an inspection. 3. Have the contractor present during the insurance adjuster's visit. 4. Get a detailed scope of work and a written estimate. 5. Understand that you may receive payment in stages. Quick note, if you're watching this and you've recently experienced hail damage, we offer free no-obligation inspections and can help guide you through this entire process. Not every contractor in New Jersey is familiar with the insurance process. Just click the link in the description below to schedule your appointment. So let's wrap this up with the most important takeaways. When it comes to hail damage, time is not on your side. The longer you wait to address potential problems, the more likely you are to face bigger, more expensive issues down the road. Remember, get a professional inspection from a local experienced contractor, stay away from out-of-state storm chasers, and make sure you understand the insurance claim process before you begin. But here's the thing. Everything I've shared with you about hail damage is just the tip of the iceberg. In my next video, I'll show you the 3 critical maintenance steps that can help your roof withstand future storms. Click the video on screen now to learn how to storm-proof your roof and protect your biggest investment.